So, good day, miss. I'm Sean Heraldez, and I'm going to present the CNN for the final performance task in Python. So here in our file, there are contains the Python Python files, which is the test model and train model. So first we'll go to the train model. So this project is the purpose of this project is to scan the pictures of a dog and a cat and to know the accuracy of this code. So this code is already provided, and so let's see here in the train model we import this into the this file, which is CNN animals.cnn h5. So I have the defined classes create train data, and also, so if we're going to play this one, so it is reading directory of and train cat from the folder train, and then cat, and the train from the folder train dog. So it is already scanning, so let's wait for a while. So as you can see, it's already done, and so this model is saved by the this file, which is the dog file. So let's go to the test model. So in the test model, so this package will read the image and then scan if it is what is the accuracy of the scanning, if it is dog or a cat. So let's try this one. So we'll put first the file we're going to test. So let's try this dog 150 dash test. So this file, so let's save it. Let's pay, and then as you can see, the accuracy of the scan is 62.41, and it's a dog. And then let's try another one. Uh, the other side, it's called a cat. So save. So as you can see, this 47.49, but it is wrong for the prediction. So let's try another one. The 146. Oh, uh, hi, hi, yeah, it is a uh, uh, this is a wrong file. I'm sorry. There's a dash in the dog. The So as you can see, it is there's an accuracy of 62.47. So that's it.